Hello everyone, today we have an interesting problem to tackle. The issue at hand involves the risk of data loss while executing certain commands on your disk. It's crucial to back up your important data before proceeding with any disk-related operations. The commands provided are meant to either zero fill or random fill the last bytes of a disk with specific block size configurations. Now, let's dive into the solution. In the solution provided, we have a script that involves writing to the last 4 bytes of a disk via the CLI. The script utilizes the blockdev getSize64 command to obtain the size of the disk in bytes. By subtracting 4 bytes from the total size, the script specifies the position to write to using the seek parameter in the dd command. This approach ensures precise writing to the exact location on the disk, addressing the specific requirements of the problem. Continuing with the solution, we encounter an additional script variation that refines the disk writing process. Similar to the previous script, this version also calculates the disk size in bytes and determines the write position by subtracting 4 bytes. However, it introduces the offlog equals seek underscore bytes option in the dd command to specify byte level seeking for precise data writing. This enhancement further optimizes the write operation, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in the disk manipulation process. Lastly, a noteworthy aspect to consider is the limitation of shell arithmetic when dealing with extremely large integers. While Bash can handle substantial numbers, overflows may occur in certain scenarios. It's essential to be cautious when performing arithmetic operations involving significant integer values, as unexpected results may arise. By understanding the boundaries of shell arithmetic, you can navigate these limitations effectively. In conclusion, we've explored the intricacies of writing to the last bytes of a disk using command line tools, emphasizing precision and efficiency in disk manipulation. Remember to exercise caution when executing disk-related commands and always prioritize data backup to prevent any unexpected data loss. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Stay tech savvy, folks!